It's time to harvest these onions. Yes, it is. I see some that's coming up on top of the soil. We're going to get a lot of rain next week, and I want to go ahead and harvest these. I don't want them to get rotted out by too much water on them. Let me go ahead and harvest these onions. Okay, I'm going to go with you first. You're the one that's sticking out there on the top of the soil. Look like y'all growing too big for me, but okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Look at you. Okay. Looking nice there. More onions grown at Mama's garden. And look at the green onions tops on you. Okay. We got one. Let's see what the rest of y'all look like. Okay, let me get you. Come on out of there. Okay. Okay, got another one. Okay, let's get this one over here. Not getting the big baseball size onions, but like I say, y'all still edible. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Y'all were ready to come out of this soil. Y'all just easily pulled up and everything. Okay. I don't know about you. You look like you rotted out. Yeah. That one didn't make it. Put you over there. Okay. Got a basket full of onions. Only one with a real nice size to it. Rest of them are small. Got some nice onion tops on them too. Let them dry out for about a week or so. Then I clean them up and chop them up and put them in my freezer. Time to harvest my onions over in this bed too. Most of these were the little white onion bugs that I put over in here. Let's see what the harvest is gonna be here. These. See the little white ones coming up at the top? Not real big. Oh, these two are just sitting on there. Y'all were connected together, huh? Okay. Let's see what these look like. Well, these the yellow onions again. Okay. Let me get y'all out of here. Y'all didn't have too much rain over here rotting y'all all out. I don't want that to happen. Okay. One year I'm gonna have some big baseball-sized onions to grow. But until then, like I say, these are still edible. I'm gonna chop these up and put them in my freezer. I see one more onion over here with my Well, I had my carrots and my cabbage growing at one time. Still have the carrots. I'm gonna get ready to harvest them. Okay, that's a nice size one. Yes. And look at these nice onion tops on it. Okay. Let's see if I have any more onions in here. Look at my carrot right there. Carrot coming up at the top. Okay, I'm gonna harvest you guys soon. Okay, any more carrots coming? Oh, look at those carrots. They coming up there. They don't look too big. I see when I pull them up. Okay, carrots. My onion harvest, along with I think about 5 of them that I harvested previously for this season. Okay, onion. Next time, I'm hoping they would come out a lot bigger. I'm gonna try again next season. This is my first harvest of onions. They all dried out. You can see the green tops are all brown. They ready to be cleaned up. Peel this off and get ready to chop them up and put them in my freezer. So I have the newer ones that I just harvest. Let them cure in here and dry up for about a week. Then I'll be ready to chop them up as well and store them in my freezer. Onions grown in Big Mama's garden.